This video will cover the topic, solving a decimal word problem using a linear equation with the variable on both sides. Let's discuss how to derive equations from word problems. Let's look at this example. Max wants to rent a boat with his family for a day during his vacation at Lake Superior. He has narrowed it down to 2 boats. The first boat costs $324.99 for the first 4 hours and an additional $86.50 for every hour after that. The second boat costs $295 for the first 4 hours and an additional $94.99 for every hour after that. How long, on top of the initial 4 hours, would Max need to rent each boat in order to make the cost of renting each boat the same? Write the answer in terms of hours and round to the nearest tenth. We are given 2 bits of information, first about boat 1 and second about boat 2. Let's convert this sentence to an equation. The general form of the equation will be the total cost is equal to the initial amount for the first 4 hours plus the additional amount for the hours after that times time. So, using this form, the cost of boat 1 will be $324.99 plus $86.50 times t. Using the same general form, can you write out the equation for boat 2?
Sure, I'll give it a try. The total cost of boat number 2 should be equal to the initial amount, which is $295, plus the additional amount per hour, which is $94.99. Then, we also multiply $94.99 by t because we don't know how much time, right?
That's correct. Now, what is the problem asking us to solve for?
I think they are asking us to solve for t, because it asks, how long on top of the initial 4 hours should the boats be rented to make the cost the same?
Right. So we want to know how much time it will take for the cost of renting the boats to be equal to each other. Mathematically, we want to know what t is when the cost of boat 1 equals the cost of boat 2. Therefore, we set the 2 expressions equal to each other and solve for t. After setting the 2 expressions equal to each other, we will isolate t on one side of the equation by first subtracting 8650t from both sides and write 324.99 equals 295 plus 8.49t. We also need to subtract 295 from both sides and write 29.99 equals 8.49t. What is the last step to be able to solve for t?
I think we need to divide both sides of the equation by 8.49.
Exactly. This produces a final answer of 3.53239, or t equals 3.5 when rounded to the nearest tenth. This means for both boats to cost the same, Max will need to spend an extra 3.5 hours on top of the initial 4.
Okay, that makes sense. I think the hardest part is figuring out the equations from the word problem.
Yes, that is often the tricky part, but with more practice, you will soon be able to decipher word problems.